What's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I achieve these knotless braids on your own hair, basically plaits, but this is a trend now and I thought it'd be cool to do my real hair so I wouldn't have to incorporate weave. This is a great protective style and I'm really excited to see how long I can keep these in. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve these, please keep watching. So of course you want to start on freshly washed and conditioned hair. I also deep conditioned my hair because I knew I would have these plaits in for a few weeks, so I wanted to have as much nutrients and moisture on my hair as possible. I'm going to start with oiling my scalp with my Hair Work Stimulating Oil. And once I work that in, I then will follow up with a leave-in conditioner, which is also mine. It is my Rich Moisture Mango Leave-In Conditioner, which is super softening and silkening, which helps make detangling easier. And of course you're going to be at this all night, so have you something to keep you chilled. And then after that we're going to add a cream based moisturizer, and I'm going to use Mielle's Twisting Souffle. It smells amazing and it's really thick. I wanted to use a heavier product with this style because I knew I wasn't going to be taking it down in a while. So after that I sealed it up with my oil to lock everything in. And this basically is the priming method for every hairstyle besides hairstyles that you want to have a lot of body in, like flat ironing or silk pressing and stuff like that. But if you're going to do any protective style on your natural hair, always follow the leave-in cream based moisturizer and oil method to make sure your hair retains enough moisture. And now you are ready to begin the plaiting process. And to make sure that my plaits appear knotless or not bulky at the root, I underhand it. So instead of going like towards my face, I braid away from my head. And now that I'm at the end, what I'm going to do is apply some water just to rehydrate the ends of my hair. And then I'm going to apply some of Main's Choice Edge Hold to the ends just to hold my curl pattern. And not that much, just a little bit, a teeny bit. And for my hair that's not curly at the end automatically due to heat damage, I like to roll it in the tiny perm rods to give it the same tight curl as my natural hair because it doesn't revert on its own. So it took me about 3 hours total to do my hair. This is the next day after I styled it and laid my edges down. And I thought this was just like a cute protective style that I can do. I don't know if I want to rock it like to the side, in the middle, like a little mixy ponytail. Twist it in a bun one day maybe.
I don't know, but you can do so many things. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.